So we call it the Traveling Technician Program, but it really is full-encompassing materials consulting services. You get to move from once-in-a-lifetime project to once-in-a-lifetime project. You just get to work on the biggest projects we have here at Terracon and that our clients have throughout the country. One of the main benefits of a traveling team is that it doesn't matter if we have a Terracon office there or not. But obviously with all these sites and with the traveling team, these are remote sites that we don't have a location nearby. So we can bring in, obviously, the team to actually cover the work. We can really basically build a quote-unquote satellite location on these project sites relatively quickly. There's all kinds of opportunity. There's obviously various projects that they can work on, various certifications they can get, different advancements that they can make in the program itself. But we're always looking for, lead technicians, site supervisors, and if we can grow some project managers organically, that's a benefit for everybody involved.